Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Alif Irfan bin Al-Paskar and this is my partner Syamil Nakib bin Samsudin. Today we will present about our Lab 1 for subject PLC and our task is soft drink beverage mixer system. So let's begin. So here our main OB, as you can see that we have single tank, sugar tank, flavor tank and mixing tank. As you know, organization blocks are the interface between the PLC operating system and the user program. Any PLC will have two different programs, the runtime program which is the operating system of the PLC and the user program which is the logic or code that the PLC programmer will write to control a certain process. So here as you can see, this is our single tank ladder diagram. So in our network 1, we have start button, counter cycle, system on set reset, our stop button, reset button and cycle counter. So this is our network 2. As you can see that we have system on, we have motor 2, we have motor 3. And for network 3, we have system on, we have pump, we have level sensor 1, we have pump and we have solenoid valve 1. And for network 4, we have level sensor 1, temperature sensor that we have set a minimum 0. The value for temperature sensor, the max is 27648 and the out is normal temperature. And then we have actual temperature that we set the value is normal temperature, max is 100 and the out is actual temperature. So this is network 5 that we have actual temperature, actual level, level sensor 2 and solenoid valve 2 set reset. And for network 6, we have level sensor 1 and heater. So here we add sugar tank function. On network 1, we got system on and motor 2. And for network 2, we got actual level and solenoid valve 3 set reset. So here on flavor tank, on network 1, we got system on, we got motor 3. And on network 2, we got actual level and solenoid valve 4 set reset. So this is mixing tank section. We have ultrasonic sensor, we have actual level sensor, and for network 2 we have actual level and motor 1. Network 3 we have actual level and mixer time. For network 4 we have mixer time, solenoid valve 5 and actual level. For network 5 we have solenoid valve 5, our counter, our cycle counter. For network 6, we have cycle counter, clock 2 Hz and buzzer. This is PLC text address section. As you know that for input and output device address. So here we add simulation part. Before we run the simulation, we need to compile all the function block, starting from sugar tank, single tank, mixing tank, flavor tank and main OB. To compile all the function block, press download and then it will pop up load preview and then press load and then you can go online and start run the simulation. And then after that we choose instant 2 and then we go to tag loading and we tick input, output and memory and then we choose load selected tag and then scroll to the bottom and check is it the device is running as you want. And then after that wearing the spectacles to all function blocks starting from main OB, flavor tank, mixing tank, single tank and sugar tank. So here is the simulation for single tank. Firstly, press the start button. Press the start button to start the batch process system. The stereo motor M2 and M3 will turn on. At this section, level sensor choose false And then in this process, pump will energize and solenoid valve 1 in open position to allow reverse osmosis water flow into the tank until reach to the level sensor 2 and 1. Then pump and solenoid valve 1 will switch off. When level sensor S1 scans the water level, analog output will turn on the heater system until temperature sensor read the temperature reach to 100 degrees. At this position, select temperature sensor and then set 27468. And then when the temperature sensor reaches to 100 degrees, solenoid valve 2 will in open position until water level in the mixer tank reach 85%, detect by ultrasonic sensor. Then solenoid valve 2 will turn in closed position.
Okay, next, as we can see, if the water level in the mixer tank is 2%, the serial motor 1 will turn on. Okay, next, after the water level in the mixer tank reach 85%, solenoid valve 3 will in open position to allow dissolved sugar flow into the mixer tank. Okay, then only 12% of dissolved sugar added the solenoid valve 3 will in closed position. Okay, next, the flavor concentrates will be added for 3% by controlling the solenoid valve 4 open and closed position. Next step, after mixing all the ingredients for 10 minutes, the solenoid valve 5 is in open position and start draining the soft drink water. When the water level drops to 0%, the solenoid valve is in closed position. Next, when the mixing cycle operation has repeated 12 times, the operation and buzzer will sound with 2 Hz frequency, and the filling and draining operation will not restart even if PB1 is pressed until reset is pressed. Last, if the water is in single tank below to the level sensor 2 and solenoid valve 2 in closed position, the sequence of the heating process will be continuous while the mixing operation will be on hold. That's all from us. Thank you.